Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 3 not launching. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then go to enable Xbox Game Bar and make sure to turn off Xbox Game Bar and then click here, go to Windows Update Settings, check for updates and install all the updates that you can find, then go to GeForce Experience. If you can't find it, just download it from any browser and then go to drivers, check for updates, make sure you have the latest update for your graphics card and then go to settings and enable this option and make sure to turn off in-game overlay. And that's it. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.